Yeah, 101 FM.
Yeah. Hey. Sila namuhla BFM.
Ngiyavuma sandwa sami yedali ngikonile kodwa ngiyacela ngicela ungikolele
Broadcast live, BFM, radio station, local is lekker. We promote among artists as Swati, BFM, radio station.
umoya wakho ngiupulile Mehlo Ami
Hey, BFM radio station, you're tuning in with DJ Ntsetsemusician once again. As I promised you that you will be having MATT with Ntsetsemusician together with this boy. They call him Rats. The dream has finally come true. BFM iyakhula kancane mlaleli. Namhlanje ngiphathelele Ntsetsemusician narrates. Ndawubanika nje lithuba ukuthi bativakalise nabesiveni ukuthi abakhona. Ndawucala ngentsethe fly ntsetse le evela ngathi amehlo ami waze wangenda amehlo wami waze wangila faka esilikweni. Intsethe ke seyivela
uyabona le ngoma leyo khetheka.
Thabu.
Ngasho ukuthi kube yabe kungasibo bantu ukuthi cha yibo laba labayithanzile. Cha angathi ngabe nguphi.
Yabo.
So ngithi ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi nithanzile le ngoma noko ke angipromote ukuthi bantu bese bathathe emehlabo bayawasusa
phela
bakhona abafati babo bese bayamosha kodwa nje bengikhuluma tinto letikhona in our day lives indlela lebembethe ngayo emabele baleni abefake si
vele yakulinga so
besisakhuluma cha ngiyajabula kakhulu namhla kuba se BFM cha ngiyajabula kakhulu and ngithi ngikhululekile ngikhululekile ngisekhaya ingani ngoba phela bengingakasho ukuthi kune EP leta udropa lena ngulenye EP so it will contain 3 wetingoma ngu ikhona lethi phelile imali yami ikhona lethi hamba bese seyiba khona lethi akusitangani kukhala ay
yo uyava ke mlaleli ngithethe lo mlaleli malekela la bese kuyasala ukuthi ngizothi ati introduce phela simuve uvele nje weva le feel at home lekhona wavele wangena yabo ukuthi BFM ikhona lawa nina basemhlamba nyathi inkundla sipromote ama talenta lonke lihlobo langa litalenta sicela ukuthi nangabe nawe ufisile kuba one of I broadcast yethu yasinza inombolo tethu siyisishiye ngasekugcineni ngolihlelo Ntsethe ngicela uthi introduce ebhuti bakwadi ngoba abakwadi emhlamba nyathi bafuna kwadi Ntsethe ngicela ukuthi ubabambe Ntsethelelo Dlamini leli lekutala lasekhaya kodwa leli lekubese ngigibele stage ngase senginciphisa lo Ntsethelelo ngasusa lo lelo kwathi Ntsetsemusician so mabo iyagcuma Ntsethe mawufuna Ntsethe nje wena uyawuthi utype lapha bo social media uthi Ntsetsemusician on Facebook TikTok I'm still going to load le tingoma ngifake kuwo onke ama platforms because ngisukumile nyalo and ngisukume ngenkani BFM
nguye ke
Ntsetsemusician hope uyangithola lapho lonke
one and only Ntsetsemusician
siyabonga Ntsethe Siyabonga the one and only Ntsethe fly kangwane kunesigebengu sami la eceleni kwami bathi ngicheese boy he's a Rex where
101 FM.
Bija ngicela uba introduce le khaya ukuthi ngibani lona.
Aha. Yeah. Bangibita Reds, but yeah, little gamma is for some say the Reds comes from the blood, but it's just Reds. It's just Reds. Yeah. So basically, my story with music, man, started a long time ago. Like I started rapping back in high school, but I was writing raps, poems, and everything.
Okay.
Since primary.
Alright.
So Martin figure in high school, then I decided to say, you know what, let me just go up on this thing.
Okay.
I remember, but music.
Music was story.
Yes. It happened one time with Singaba, like I was performing the track was really dope. Track was dope, like.
Okay.
Yeah. But we see my boys are panicking and
First time.
Everyone was scared.
So difficulties are.
So what happened? I was the one that was hooking it. So I decided to go, you know what, guys? I'll just do the hook. I want you guys to put the best verses ever you can come up with.
Yeah.
And then when we were at school, there's this guy who was like, I know I'm good. I'm gonna kill this thing, Me and my guy are practicing and they say, you know what, just do it like this. And then when we reach studio,
guys, practice.
Yeah, practice is perfect. Practice is perfect.
It's perfect, yeah.
Doing
the thing.
Yeah, because it happened, because you must see a studio. Okay, I'm feeling man, I'm so scared. The time,
this was the first time.
But yeah, I know, I did it. I'm feeling I try hook, and this guy was like, no, dog, I feel this thing you're saying, but like, just say it with feelings. That's the first time I fell in love with music and fell in love with with the storytelling and the words and the message,
Okay.
Yeah. So
there's a story. My message la kulo music esidlala. You get that BFM?
Yeah, there's a story.
Stories.
I hope they get it. Okay, what happened ukuthi okay, ngayishaya hook I'm fine, ngayishaya hook and then no much that's why I practice is perfect, because this guy was so easy. Don't go get a bit of CV
manje why nga practice kanye because we
but what like chill guys go.
No, you were supposed to give him the oomph, guys. You should give somebody will like now we're on studio, right? But if we see you that you're going down, what's happening?
You know what?
What's happening? What's wrong with you?
Yes.
We are here for what? Then
what?
You forget the gimmick. Why are we here?
Yeah, but then guy had energy. And was rapping fast. You should have fixed that area. But then track was good.
Okay.
Then must spare forward.
But performance net.
Yeah, that's the difference.
Believe me, man. If now with dedication.
Yeah.
And it's not easy, Kuma. Even 10
You know what, guys? You know what I'm getting here, BFM Jemos? I'm getting that our artists here, they are pure. No drugs, no anything. It is hard. Cool for the first time. I like that. Keep on Ntsetsemusician.
Yeah, so lebe ngingakusho mina bengingacela ku advisor kubo bonke labakulomkhakha wethu lo aka entertainment. Yes, because awusi easy. Ngifuna sikhiphe na inkulumo yokuthi sikangwane, because every time mawuthi uvela ukuthi wena uyahlabela or you are when I drama or you actor,
it don't take you serious.
Bona bavele bathi hayi inkinga kangwane la, they don't take.
Can I add the point now?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, it's gangwane. But if uboba nalento ukuthi bangasimi, then who?
Who's going to make it?
Because and people are with this hustling, people will try to let it down. But when I be strong,
kuthathe lokho kube motivation. Bengingasho njalo wena mlaleli lo sekhaya lo fisako ukungena kulomkhakha lona, ngithi ngena kuyaphumeleleka. So as long as wena wathi ukuthi ufunani, nathi sisakazisha Ntsetsemusician nje. I so much believe ukuthi abasibo bonke labangatiko, but namhla ngitholile na opportunity la eBFM ukuthi
Yeah,
imane
BFM one time,
ndawubona
101 bafowethu.
ukuthi ngilona loyo angadi. So ngimtsetsemusician nje nami ngicale somewhere. Bonke boKesper Nyovesi ungababala bonke quite a number of artists laphumelele nabo they have a story to tell. Abamana abazange nje sebavele babe lapho bakhona khona. So shout out to everyone lonakule entertainment industry. Ngiyacela bafowethu asiqhubeke siuphushe siuphakamise umjeka wakaNkwane.
Washa BFM James, I like that machita ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuzivakashela eBFM and kuba mnanzi kakhulu ngicabanga ukuthi singakhuluma kuze. Yeah, I promise you iBFM itekutoshintsha lomcondo ukuthi sikangwane. Buka ukuthi lendlela lecala ngayo it's gonna trend lapha emakhumbini aseBhunya la kabheke emankayane nambabane namanzini.
Njalo.
Mhlawumbe labalandleleni bataba senhlanhleni ukuyithola naba labagibela kusuka la Dambathi kuya le dolobheni. Batayithola le message lesikhulumako la batayihambisa. The BFM seyiqalile ngale ndlela leyo. If supporta lokho wena, this thing will go big. We are here to change le ngqondo ukuthi amaswati angeke sakakhona kuwena. We are here to crush that. BFM one time. Machita. Yes.
Sengenile nemali ngiyabonga mlungu wami awuthi shone ekhaya ngiyobabona bamvana ndakuva kahle konke yavela
ngumlilo mlaleli siyabonga
Jango BFM. Shout out to BFM.
BFM
siyabonga kumnandi kakhulu eBFM.
Siyafuma sobekasela lakunothando khona khona udadethu likhona ngicela ungenze ngikhombise ukuthi ngiphila ukhona makunawa ngisose ngasarenzo hlupha indoda ngumirenzo sesakhwisa siyafuma sobekasela lakunothando khona khona udadethu likhona ngicela ungenze ngikhombise ukuthi BFM radio station ke phuma lapho ke Ntsethe ke bekana Reds ke kulelo ke hlelo lebelithi local is reggae lapho khona sipromote khona emaswati ngilaleli ukuthi nawo atikhanze ke avakala emoyeni kuloko la kufisile ke ukudlulisa naloko la fise ukuthi sibadlalele kona ke siBFM ngiyawuthanda nje kubonga kakhulu ngiyibonga kakhulu BFM kulo mkhakha leso sendo lesendako sekusita noma ke sekuzama ukupromote ke ama artists akangwane more especially nawa ala enkundleni nasemhlamanyathi ngiyayiphakamisela nje kakhulu BFM nami ngiyayifisela kungathi ngaqhubeka naloko lekuhlele kwendawo ngithanda nje ukuqinisa kakhulu bonzethe ke na Reds lapha kulo msebenzi lemuhle lapha sendela wona sinyamaswati ithi nje ke Ntsetsemusician nawe Reds keep doing the good work machita ngithanda kakhulu nje ngibonile lokuthi niphume all out ngizosembisa ukuthi kune EP lesendleleni masinyane nje ke lokho kuhle kakhulu ngiyethemba na Reds lapha yana kukhona la kusebenzayo sisalungiselela mlaleli ngiyabonga kakhulu nje ke kulawo artist kwakhuthatha nje nalamanye ama artists asenkundleni nasemhlamanyathi ukuthi nawo akaveta lawo lokuncane la afuna ukuveta noma ke arrange ke isikhathi na BFM ukuthi na ete nje kutowuvakala eBFM ukuthi akhona maswati jabula kakhulu ke ngiyophuma kana ingoma yama Black Bulls lapha lethi uteka itafula phambi kwetutsa tami leyo album yatholakala ke ikona ke imakethe 60 amalangeni kwakho nje ukuthi usupport ke ama Black Bulls ngithanda nje kusalute kakhulu kinonke nene benkundla yasemhlamanyathi ngimthanda nonke ke besilapha ke ehlelweni lelithi Luckary ngithi ke ngiyaphuma ngithi salute kuwo wonke umuntu ngithi ngithanda nonke makhaya libe mnandi
Tenga itafulo Pambi wetisa dami Ngide nazo sije nami Tenga itafulo Pambi wetisa dami Ngide nazo sije nami
Say these niggas so whack, dog, so I turn my back, then I law apart. Cause I know we can fast forward, man, like we letter with the best in the game. Man, I'm the real, I'm done, dude. You can watch the walk, but you can't saw. Everybody got a part to play, man, you just gotta let that track play. Whatever goes up, man, anybody calm down. I'ma tell you one thing, we ain't never going down. We be sipping popping bottles like the ones from Singapore, but you just gotta let that nigga know the trap and get pissed.
Tenga itafulo, pami wetisa dami, ngide nazo sije nami. Tenga itafulo, pami wetisa dami, ngide nazo.
BFM radio station, 101 FM.